grab, grab. The boy grabs a runaway cupcake with one hand. Hold, hold. The girl holds a huge bunch of balloons tightly with both hands. Touch, touch. The boy touches a big red button with one finger. Point, point. The girl points at a tiny mouse with one finger. Push, push. The boy pushes a giant watermelon with both hands. Pull, pull. The girl pulls a very long noodle with both hands. Pinch, pinch. The boy pinches a tiny cookie between his fingers. Scratch, scratch. The boy scratches his head with one hand in confusion. Rub, rub. The boy rubs a dirty coin with both hands. Tap, tap. The girl taps a giant egg gently with one finger. Clap, clap. The boy claps his hands loudly and happily. Wave, wave. The girl waves one hand enthusiastically. Shake, shake. The boy shakes a gift box with both hands. Squeeze, squeeze. The girl squeezes a huge orange with both hands. Throw, throw. The boy throws a red ball forward. Catch, catch. The girl catches falling donuts with both hands. Pick up, pick up. The boy picks up a shiny coin from the floor. Drop, drop. The girl drops an ice cream cone by accident. Punch, punch. The boy punches a training bag with his fist. Slap, slap. The girl slaps at a mosquito above a stack of pancakes.